Hello, today we will guide you through how to slow down text animation in CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be ready to work with text and adjust how its animation behaves. If you already have a project open, that's great. If not, just make sure you're in the editing workspace so you can access the text tools. Next, look toward the top left area of the screen and click on Text. This section is where CapCut lets you add and customize words or titles inside your video. If you're new to using text in CapCut, this is the main area you'll come back to whenever you want to create captions, titles, or animated text effects. After that, click on the default text plus sign. This will place a new text layer into your project. Adding a default text box is the easiest way to start because it gives you something simple to edit before applying animation changes. Now enter some sample text. It doesn't need to be final or polished at this stage. You can type anything short and easy to recognize, since the goal here is to clearly see how the animation looks before and after you adjust the timing. Using sample text makes it easier to preview the effect without getting distracted by formatting. Once your text is in place, move to the top right and click on Animation. This is the section where CapCut gives you different movement styles and effects for your text. You'll typically find options for how the text enters, exits, or behaves on screen, depending on the animation you choose. From there, select a sample animation and click on it to apply it to your text. As soon as you choose one, you should be able to preview how the text moves. Pick any animation that clearly shows motion, since that makes it easier to notice the timing change in the next step. Finally, drag the duration control to the left. This is the adjustment that changes the animation timing. As you move it, keep an eye on the preview so you can see how the text animation responds. Make small adjustments rather than large ones because that gives you better control over the final result and helps you find the speed that looks best for your video. And that's it. You've now adjusted the text animation timing in CapCut using the duration control. If needed, preview the animation a few times to make sure it matches the style and pacing you want before moving on with the rest of your edit.